A coworker asked me if I would fix their trailer for him. The floor is all rotten out, and so I brought it home today so that I could fix it for him. The first thing I've got to do, after taking the lumber off of course, is to cut all these welds to keep this flat bar on, because that's what's holding the floor on. Alright, to do this, you're going to need a couple of things. First, safety glasses. You want to make sure you don't ruin your eyes. Hearing protection would probably be good, but I usually don't wear it. Then, you need an angle grinder with a metal cutoff disc, and probably an extension cord. Once you get all the welds cut, you want to pry the bar loose and set it aside. Okay, so the next step in replacing a trailer floor is to get a good frozen treat. Actually, that's not the next step, but it should be. A lot of trailers have these Torx here. My Torx are at work, so I've got to go buy some to get this done. Well, one trip to the hardware store later and I'm back in business. Sometimes you got dirt and stuff in there, you gotta dig it out before you can take the screw out. Now the only thing that's left to do is to weld the bar back across here so that the boards stay on, and then to clean up my mess. When welding, it's always important to wear a long sleeve shirt and long pants. That way you don't accidentally burn your arms or your legs with the slag or with the heat from the welding. So, safety first. Now that I've finished the hard part, now on to my least favorite part of the job, the least favorite part of any job, which is the cleanup.